Morning. So this is where we play cricket. This is the entire cricket ground. It's full covered in snow right now. 6 inches, maybe more than that. All right. So let's start our lap one. Look at that swan. So they have a full colony. They are like about 1,000 of swans, and I don't know what animal they are. They are like birds with, they like stay on the shore of the Hackensack River, and they are just like chilling here in the park, grazing the grass and trying to look for some protein. Yeah.